So as I said, we're at Lackford Lakes. So like a wildlife trust bird reserve and that. So we have a little walk around. As I said, the cafe don't open until 10. I'm hoping the toilets will open soon. Just driven up from my hometown Midway area, and because it's only a 2-hour drive, I thought I'd not bother with the oh wait, it is a trial. I thought I wouldn't bother with the, no, that toilets ain't until 10 either. Oh well, looks like we'll have to wait till 10 o'clock. Yeah, so I thought it was pointless going to the services when it's only a couple of hours drive. So hopefully it's not too joggy, it's a bit uneven the ground. Well, I think this is the way down. There's some picnic tables there. And that's what it said on the map. There's a sailing club and other water sports down here as well on the bigger lake. I don't think it's that cold, but it's still frost on the floor. And look, this little pond dipping thing, it's still got ice on it. I don't think it's cold, but then again I'm a window cleaner, so I don't really feel the cold. Right, let's go. Let's follow the blue trail. I think that's the one I wanted. I think the other one takes you down to where the boating lake is. It's a little hut here. What's this? The ringing hut. Oh, look at that view of the lake. Look, you hear all the birds as well. Not allowed to eat the blackberries, they're for the birds. Don't know if you'll read that, just pause if you want to read it. Well, I'm not going to walk you all the way around because obviously there's a hide there, look. I'm not going to walk you all the way around because obviously it'll be too long, so I'll just chuck you on every now and again so you can just see the views. See all the birds out there, look. If I'd known I was coming here, I would have brought some binoculars with me. But as I said, it was a last minute thing. I saw the Anglo-Saxon thing and it didn't open till 10. I thought, oh, I must find something to do before, and I saw this place just down the road from it. So I thought I'd come have a morning stroll. So as you can see, there's some boats just over there. This is on that big lake which went past. See a load of ducks just swimming over there. I don't know if you can see them in the camera. Some more there. Some more there. I don't know if you can see in the distance there. All them white dots. It's just birds everywhere. Don't know if I extend it, see if you can see any better. It's a bit foggy out there as well. Can you see them all? I don't know if the noise is coming out on the camera either, but it's really loud. Let's carry on walking. So we're around the side now of that big pond. We walked along this way here. There's them boats over there. Can you see all the birds now? Zoom in again. Loads of them. And just next to us here's another lake here. There's a hide here, Paul's hide. Let's have a little look in here. It's all like little cosy chairs in here. Got to wear a face mask. There's no one in here. Shows you some dragonflies and that you can find here. See, no binoculars here that I could borrow. Oh, maybe fell over. Let's have a little look down. sun hasn't been up long, half hour, 40 minutes or so. So even here, there's loads of birds here. Don't know well that'll focus. This lake's a bit quieter. Well, it was until I said that. Thought I'd leave you with the birds for a couple of seconds. Go to the next place. Down this way. Got another hide here. Bird's hide. Well, this is the same lake we was just looking at, but further up, so you can see the birds a bit clearer from here. It looks really cold out there. You can see sort of like the frosted on the floor, but it's really not that cold, to be honest. If you don't like nature and birds, you'll probably find this video very boring. It's really nice to come here first thing in the morning. I haven't seen, apart from the guy that opened the gates, I haven't seen a person. They make loads of noise and they go quiet for a little while, and they sort of go again. As I'm walking up through the trails, there's like ducks and that in the little ponds that are scattered around. And I don't think they're used to people coming this early, because they all sort of jumped up and flew off. See if you see over in the distance, there's another hide over there by the looks of it. We go again. Don't know if this is a hide as well. Double-decker hide. Don't know if it'd be open though. Well, it looks like it is. I know that it's got a fence around it. It looks quite new. I wonder if it's under construction. Yeah, I think that the hide around the back, I did see on a notice board, it said some of them are shut. So this is obviously this and up that way. But that does look brand new, doesn't it? Yeah, it's definitely new. All these little bits down here. As I walk past, I scare all the birds. So just in that ditch down there, there's water that goes along. There's all ducks resting in there. Some birds in front of us there. So as you can see, if we took the right way, it takes us back round to the centre, where the cabinet is, but nothing's open, so it's pointless going now. The way we come was the Kingfisher trail. Now we can go look at these East Lakes. I think there's about 3 or 4 lakes up here, all different sizes. Part of me wants to leave the camera on as I walk because I keep just catching birds and things just coming out. Look, little robin come to see me. Just flew right past me and just landed there. Looks quite friendly. Oh, it just pooed. It's posing for pictures now, look. I love robins, they're so cute. He doesn't look very old, that one, does he? Let's carry on then. Let him be. So I took a little bit of time back there. I've only just come out and I've managed to already get a dirty knee. That's because I decided to kneel down because that little robin, it was very young and it come right up to me. And I knelt down to get a really close picture and it come right up to the camera. I didn't want to leave it, it was so cute. Oh, it's another bird's gone down. See it run down? I don't know if I caught that. It's just gone into there. Another little bird in the path there. So that's what I mean, I want to leave the camera on because you just keep seeing them everywhere and you can't really catch good pictures when they're in the distance. So it's along this little bit here, you get all ducks sitting in there and that. But yeah, I am going to turn it off because otherwise it'll be really long and you won't see much apart from me walking along. But absolutely everywhere you can hear the birds moving, and maybe not birds, maybe other things. I saw on a sign here they get otters here and other wildlife. And being it's still early and there's no one else around, they're probably all still out doing their bits. It's a really nice place, to be honest. It's a nice nature reserve. I mean, there's not trails off everywhere, it's just basically one route round, which I enjoy because when you've got multiple routes, unless you live local and you can go to them and try different trails all the time, if it's somewhere like this where I probably would never come again unless I'm up the area. So there's just loads of birds there. Yeah, so if there was like 2 or 3 trails and I wouldn't have time to do them all, then I'm going to miss stuff. There's a little bird on that log there. See, no matter how good these cameras are, the human eye is just, we just see everything with our eyes, don't we? That's what they're for, so it makes sense. Yes, I don't know if you just, there's loads of birds just in front of me there on that little branch. They're all in that bit over there. Yeah, I am going to turn it off because otherwise it's going to be too long, as I said. Little bird down there. There was a couple there, but again, as I got closer, it decided to. The others flew off. Let's continue on then. There's all these little nesting boxes around the site as well, all numbered. That one's on the tree there. Don't know what they've actually given the weather today. The way it's looking, it's going to be a nice day. I mean, the sun's already up. The them boxes are everywhere. There's another little birds. All look. Just come out to this opening, and as usual, holding my camera instead of having it out, and there was rabbits everywhere running around here. See me, they're all scarpered. One went down by that bush where I was first showing. There was loads out here. Some sheep over there in the distance. Looks like a pheasant down there, does it? Is that a pheasant? Looks like it. Can't really see very well from here. All them rabbits have made a run for it. I say rabbits, they might have been hares. Let's see if we can get closer. I'm sure this is a pheasant down here. Yeah, this is a no entry. I think this is a farm or something there, but you can just see the. There he is. Can you see him? He's wandering off because I've got closer. Oh, lost him. You can sort of see him there, but. And turn to the side so I can get a nice picture of him. There we go. So peaceful. I was trying to be really quiet when I walked, but it's almost impossible because we've got all. Because it's like quite icy, as you can see. Frosty, not icy, but it crunches every time you walk, and there's all twigs on the floor, and so trying to sneak up on any wildlife to get good pictures is almost impossible. Pheasant's still hiding over there. You can sort of see the sheep in the background there. But all them rabbits have all disappeared. There's loads of them, must have been about 10, 15 of them. One running into this little bit here. Look how nice it is with the sun. Right, let's go. See that? Look. That sneaking up does work. He did clock me near enough straight away. He was sort of down here. He sort of moved Well, I suppose you thought I couldn't get in. Wasn't expecting to see that, to be honest. There's probably more around here somewhere. He's sort of gone there, you can't see him. See his backside there. I was just coming up from that field down now. I was waiting for the rabbits. Stood there for about 10 minutes, seeing if I could see the rabbits. I thought I'd be quiet, see if I can catch anything. And that little fella was there. I was happy seeing that. Right, so we've got two ways to go here. We're going to go this way, up to Fuller's Mill Hide and Bess's Hide. So these are all the smaller lakes I said about. There's this little one here, there's a big one over there. I don't think you can hear the aeroplanes up there. Not much on this lake by the looks of it. Mind you, it still looks quite frozen over there. Not frozen, but you know, when you get that sleety stuff. Nice picture with all the reflections though. So that's a little lake that had that frosting, and that's the way we come up. There's a bigger lake here. There's a little raft with a duck on it there. Don't know if you can see that. It's lovely views. There's a little sign here that says look out for blue and orange. Might be a kingfisher. I've got no binoculars, so chances of me seeing anything are remote. Look how peaceful it is though. If I lived up this way, I'd be here every day. Yep. As I said, I've not seen a soul still. And I've been here for what? What's the time now? Oh, bear with me while I look at my watch. Yeah, I've been here over now. I haven't seen anyone. Just lots of nature. And have a little look, see if we can see anything. No, let's carry on then. So we've got to that Fuller's Mill one. That's currently closed. Don't know what you actually see out over here though. There's nothing out there anyway, just a frosty lake. Got no wildlife at all. It looks like that's Bess's Hide there, but judging by this, it looks like I have to go back on myself down the other way after, because that gate's locked. There's no way over there, and there's no way this way. I mean, it's good that they've kept a lot of the park where you can't trample across it, because otherwise it sort of narrows down the sort of safe area for the animals and birds. Like there was a sign back there that said keep off the banks, and that's why they want you just to stay in the park. I can hear something here, but I can't see it. Such good animals that hide, didn't they? Let's have a little look at here then. That's quite a big one. I just love getting pictures of the view. Most of them are right over there. I don't like taking pictures that far though, because it comes out really grainy. Let's look at the view though. You see, I don't think you can get all round over there, I'm not sure, but that little bit that goes up there, that's where the gate was that's fenced it off. So I'm sure all round there it's just private, like a safe haven for the wildlife. I like animals and wildlife, but I've never actually been a bird watcher. I can see why they enjoy it, just sitting here, just waiting. Could do with a coffee though. I'll be quite happy sitting here if I had a flask. Right, so I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to spend 10 minutes here just relaxing. Then I'm going to double back on myself and go down the other way. Noisy, isn't they? Yeah, so I'm going to turn off. If any come closer, I'll get a picture of it. If not, I swear, see you when I go back down the other way. Right, there's two hides up here. I think it was Derek's hide and Steagle's hide. I think that was the two names. But going by the signs, it looks like to get back to the centre, I've got to go all the way back I come. At that crossroads where, you know, I had the fork earlier, it said the centre's back the other way, so it looks like you have to go back that way. I didn't know if you can get round the outside of these lakes, but it doesn't look like you can. Oh look, it's just sitting there. Thinks I can't see him. How nice the trees look. So this is that big lake. This is right at the far side of it, where the Bess's hide was. I don't know if we see it when we get up to this bit here. No, it's right around the corner sort of thing. It's just sort of round that way a bit. Okay, well when I get to the next hide I'll put you back on. I think we may have a change of plan because, I don't know if you can see, there's some tape across there. At the sign, at the thing it said about it's a meadow up there, look. There it goes. So I get distracted easily. Yeah, the map at the beginning said about 2 hides closed. It looks like it's these 2 that are closed, not from that other place where I said that new build was. It looks like it's up here. We can have a look at that lake over there, but we just can't go any further. See what it says. Path closed. Did it say why? Oh, just because of the conditions. I mean, in all fairness, even this bit I'm walking on here is really like soggy. So it's just to let the path recover, just to preserve it. Let's have a look at this lake here then. Then we go back on ourselves. This is Plover Lake. This is near as you can get to this one. I don't mind cutting it short because I'm dying for a toilet. And I need coffee. Right guys, unless I find anything on the way back, any more birds or any other nature, that will be the end of this. Because it's too early for the cafe to be open, so I can't show you inside the visitor centre. And I'm not waiting around for that long. I want to be at the other place for when it opens. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, hope it weren't too long. I don't know how long it'll be time to edit it. But that was Lackford Lakes, or Lackford Lakes, I can't remember now. In just outside Bury St Edmunds in Suffolk. So you have one last view of this lake and I'll sign out. So it's very, you see that stick sticking out there, it's all frozen around it. It's like, it's weird because this bit here is not frozen, but it's frozen just there. You can see it by the lines, there's loads of it. It's not frozen, it's like that thick sleet stuff. Of course around the outside with the vegetation, it's probably, the water's probably warmer with the trees and that. Right, that's really it guys, thanks for watching. Don't know if you can see them, there's three little mallards walking in front of me, walking on the path. See if I can zoom in so you can see them. There they go. I'm back to where I saw that deer earlier, but he's not here now, he's long gone.